Hi, this is Ken with Sunstoppers. Today we're here in Rock Hill, South Carolina at the Weitzel Investigations. We are going to do roller shades on their entire office. We are helping them by improving the look of their building, their business. So if you have customers or yourself, you come to your home or business and you tend to look a little bit like this, where you have those wonderful temporary blinds that have been temporary for the last 2 or 3 years. We can help to improve that look, that feel. The roller shades are going to give them added privacy, also help with heat and glare issues they've had for the last few years. If your building or your home look like some of these pictures that we have of the temporary blinds up on the windows, we can come in. We do roller shades, blinds, plantation shutters, honeycomb shades, cellular shades. So if you guys need any help with roller shades, blinds, or window tinting, give us a call. We're using a 3% weaved fabric. We're also mounting these above the actual window opening just due to the construction of the building. Typically, we would want to mount these roller shades right inside the window opening here so that the nice, clean, flush look. The shades would come down and basically touch right onto that window seal. But because we have steel beam directly above this opening here, it's just impossible to drill those holes in and get it to fit correctly. So we ended up ordering these so that we could mount this above the window opening itself. We're still having to pre-tap all of the holes as well as put anchors into the sheetrock to hold these shades up. We can work around just about anything that you guys run across, or if you just run into a situation where no one wants to help you, we can definitely come up with a solution for you. We've got this shade mounted. We've got the limit set top and bottom. All we need to do here is mount our fascia, which just clips right over the top. Snap, snap, and we are good to go. So we can roll this down. And the benefit of the roller shades is that even when it's down, blocking the glare and giving you privacy, you can still see out during the day and don't feel like you're closed in. A lot of mini blinds, old regular faux wood blinds, those kind of things will definitely close in an office space. So if you want a more open, more welcoming office space, then definitely want to use the roller shade. It's going to give you the look and feel that you're wanting for your home or business. We've got the windows tinted now so that it's going to block that glare. It's also going to give you a reduction in heat and give you some daytime privacy. The roller shades are going to give you an extra added glare reduction and also more daytime privacy. So if you're looking for privacy, heat rejection, UV protection, just give us a call here at Sunstoppers.